Assalamualaikum. I'm a Filipino and I feel blessed for being guided to Islam. But the journey sometimes is lonely, but I don't feel alone, for we know Allah is with us. Alhamdulillah. When I was in high school, I used to be a servant of my Catholic church, cleaning the church and attending prayer meetings every Saturday and singing in the choir during Sunday Mass. There was even a time that I wanted to be a nun. We had our high school retreat and I wanted to stay in that place so I could be a nun. I was in college when I started doubting the practice of Catholicism. I wondered why Catholics are praying to Mary, the mother of Jesus, and the saints. I also doubted if the Holy Trinity is true. I attended other religious gatherings, but I still didn't find anything to remove my doubts. Years passed, and I just continued being a Catholic until I started working and met a Muslim brother. In 2006, I went to the Netherlands for a business trip, and my trainer, who happened to be an Afghan Muslim, gave me a Quran. That was the first time I heard about Muslims and Islam. I started reading the Quran during that time, but I didn't open it again. So I felt that my faith was in Islam because I was not practicing Catholicism anymore. Except I was yet to accept the fact that the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon him, is our prophet. Astaghfirullah. So my life went on for 10 years, thinking from time to time if I'm going to revert or not. For some reason, I used to think that I couldn't fast because of my migraine. In the middle part of 2016, Allah started testing me. I was afflicted with anxiety, and I'm still in this terrible situation up to now. Alhamdulillah ala kulli hal, all praise is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in all conditions. I became depressed and even had thoughts of committing suicide. Astaghfirullah. I had sessions with a mental health professional, but sad to say, it didn't help me. In September of 2016, the person who gave me the Quran emailed me and asked me, how am I practicing my faith? I said, I only read via Twitter. Perhaps that was the first sign Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave me. Then, in November of 2016, I told Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that once He shows me the way out of my situation, I will read the Quran again. But something in the back of my mind is telling me, why not read the Quran now? So, I started reading again. From there until now, I'm still learning. And to be honest, I found my peace in Islam. Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. I started reading my Salat in Arabic almost a year after I revered it. No one told me how to do Salah. I only learned to pray in Arabic by downloading an application and searching through the internet. Inshallah, I'm doing it right. I am married to a non-believer before becoming Muslim. I have a 17-year-old daughter who doesn't want to become a Muslim. Astaghfirullah. May Allah grant them hidayah. My husband did not say anything about my new faith, but we didn't share a room anymore, which is good as I can do my salah. or ibadah alone inside the room. My parents know I'm a Muslim. At first, I could sense that my mom couldn't accept it, but there was no violent reaction from her, and they usually listen to me when I say something about my faith. Although they still believe in Jesus as God. May Allah forgive them, but somehow they support me. Alhamdulillah. I'm still alone on this journey in terms of being the only Muslim in the family. I didn't even know any Muslim community near me, and I haven't visited any masjid yet. That's why it makes me feel lonely. My iman still gets high and low because of what I'm going through. But I'm trying my best to hold on tight to the rope of hope of the Most Merciful, Insha'Allah.